Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by selecting cotton top and backing and a compatible batting. You need stability and breathability. Once chosen, measure your mattress and add 8 for tuck and shrinkage so the sheet fits after quilting. Make parallel, accurate cuts with a rotary cutter and ruler. Mark seam allowances at 1/2. Next, lay the backing face down, center the batting, and place the quilt top face up. Base through all layers using 3 safety pins to hold everything flat. You'll quilt from the center outward to control wrinkles. Start with a few lines to anchor the layers and expand your pattern. Use a 90/14 needle and polyester thread for strength, and test tension on a scrap to prevent skipped stitches. If you're free motion quilting, lower the feed dogs. If straight line, use a walking foot. Once quilted, trim the batting and backing flush with the top, and press seams gently toward the backing so edges lie flat for binding. You finish by attaching a 2 double-fold binding. Align raw edges, miter corners, and stitch slowly close to the inner fold so the binding wraps cleanly. Once bound, top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the inner edge to secure the layers and reinforce corners and pocket areas where tucks bear stress. Finally, wash on a gentle cycle to relax fibers and check fit on the bed. If puckers appear, rebase that area and restitch. Tension or uneven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.